Welcome to the AutoCAD free online course. In this first video of the course, you'll learn what AutoCAD is, why it's used, and the basic idea behind CAD. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software created by Autodesk. It's used to draw precise 2D plans and accurate 3D models. Think of AutoCAD as a digital drawing table. Everything you normally draw using pencil, ruler, and paper can now be done faster and more accurately on your computer. AutoCAD is used in many fields such as architecture, engineering, interior design, construction, manufacturing. Its purpose is simple: create clean, accurate, and professional technical drawings. Why is AutoCAD important? AutoCAD is widely used because it offers precision. You can draw lines and shapes with exact measurements down to millimeters or decimals, something very hard to achieve with hand drafting. Speed and efficiency revisions take seconds. You can copy, move, trim, or edit drawings instantly without starting over. Professional documentation. AutoCAD produces drawings that contractors, engineers, and builders can rely on for actual construction. The basic concepts of CAD. Let's open up the AutoCAD software so that you can easily understand the basic concept of CAD. Instead of drawing on paper, you design using a computer. This gives you more tools, accuracy, and flexibility. It also has a coordinate system. CAD uses X and Y coordinates and Z coordinates for 3D. Every point you draw has an exact location, ensuring perfect accuracy. In CAD, you create objects such as lines, circles, arcs, polylines, blocks. Each object can be edited, moved, or modified without redrawing. AutoCAD has layers to help organize your work. For example, in architecture you need a layer for walls, doors, furniture, and a layer for dimensions. This makes the drawing cleaner and easier to manage. One of the biggest advantages of CAD is that you can erase mistakes instantly, move objects, scale them, or adjust measurements without restarting the whole drawing. So, for now, that's all for this first video. You have already learned a quick overview of what AutoCAD is and the basic concept of CAD. In the next video, we'll explore the AutoCAD interface and learn how to navigate the workspace.